What's happening, everyone? John is Rusty, back with you with another video. It's been a minute, been busy. COVID has kind of messed up the pallet game, so we haven't really gotten any new pallets lately. But I've been keeping busy. And while everyone's, taking advantage of the record low stock prices and Bitcoin going up to 40,000, I'm still buying precious metals, believe it or not. And people will laugh, say, oh, precious metals aren't an investment, they're a hedge against inflation or whatever. What I say to that is, invest in what you want, and spread out your investments in as many different baskets as you can without losing money. It's really the guide to long-term wealth. But this is actually my second time filming this video because I ended up doxing myself and I had to retape this. But super excited. I retaped it because I'm not no lazy YouTuber, even though I haven't uploaded in like 4 months. All right. Whew, look at that. So we're gonna get this all out of here for you. This is the silver bullet. Super excited about this. Look at that. Oh, nice. Silver bullet. That's 10 ounces, 10 troy ounces. This was an alien round from Monarch. And the reason why I got these Monarch bars, a lot of them, are the fact that they're cheaper on JM Bullion than they were on Monarch, on Monarch's own website. So I went and got a bunch of Monarch stuff. So I got a handful more of these bars, these little stackers. Yeah. Oh yeah, and this is the 12 ounces, little stack it kit. Here, I gotta pull this out. Gotta see this. I'm trying to wear gloves. These gloves may look dirty, but they're actually clean. I washed them, but they got paint on them. But it's better than my dirty ass hands. Look at that, 12 ounces. Beautiful, beautiful silver. And it comes in a little tin kit. Beautiful. And this is the silver credit card. So I went ahead and pulled out my other Monarch bars that I got the other day. Well, I guess the other day. These I got in 2012. And just a few little things. This is what, a 5 gram? A 5 gram bar. Like these little like 1 gram silver coins and some cool Monarch stuff. But I really like the skull. That's great. 2 ouncer. Got more of the ounce, and then these are the quarter ounce, or maybe these are the half ounce. Here, let's see. But yeah, that's 1/4 ounce. So, bunch of cool stuff. Big cats are dangerous. And the other side's not YouTube friendly, but you can go on the website, check it out. This one's cool. 2 ounce gun. Got an arrowhead. That one's cool. It's just a 1 ounce. Thought I might as well. And now I have the alien to include it, and I got this cool thing, so it's gonna add to the collection. Alright, so I'm going to wrap it up. One last shot. Look at the silver. Let me know if you want to see more silver videos. I will make more silver videos. I love silver. I love gold. Even though it only goes up like 5% every 10 years. It's, it's solid. It's solid. Gotta love it. All right, I'll talk to you guys later.